Common plumbing mistakes during a do-it-yourself bathroom remodel cause the majority of leaks and costly rework. Start by mapping your water supply lines and shutoffs, and double-check every connection before closing walls or floors. Use the correct fittings for the pipe material you have. For example, use compression or push-fit fittings only where they are rated for the application in solder, or flared fittings for copper when required. When cutting pipes, ensure ends are square and deburred so seals and fittings seat properly and do not leak. Always pressure test hot and cold supply lines at working pressure for at least 24 hours and inspect for slow drips as well as obvious leaks before you install drywall or tile. When connecting to a drain, maintain the proper slope of 1/4 inch per foot for gravity flow and keep trap weirs above the fixture outlet to prevent siphoning. Use thread sealant tape or appropriate pipe dope on threaded connections, and do not substitute general-purpose sealants for plumbing-specific products. The three most common mistakes are using the wrong fitting type, over-tightening connections, and failing to test before finishing. Using the wrong fitting leads to mismatched materials and eventual failure, so verify compatibility and, when in doubt, replace an older section with one consistent material and proper adapters. Over-tightening compression nuts, plastic fittings, or threaded joints strips threads or distorts seats. So tighten by hand until snug, then give a controlled quarter to half turn with a wrench while holding the fitting steady. Failing to test means small leaks become concealed and cause mold and structural damage, so always pressurize and monitor lines and run full flow tests on drains with water and a dye if needed. Each fix is straightforward. Match materials and fittings, apply measured torque, and run thorough tests. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work with clear project listings and user feedback. On our site, we also host an active discussion community where DIYers and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos of projects.